Welcome back to the Brothers Workshop. As always, I'm Sean, and today I'm here with our 2017 GMC Sierra to see how much I could fit in the bed of this truck. This truck has a 78.9-inch bed, and for those of you guys who are wondering, yes, that's about 6.5 feet, and it does have that full crew cab. So this is the best of both worlds here. This truck can haul the crew and pretty much anything you want to put in the back because it has 61 cubic feet of cargo space. But what does that equate to in the real world? Today we're going to find out when I go grab some mulch. Come along for the ride, but before we do, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button for us. I just pulled up to the nursery here. Let's see what we got. This place is huge. I don't even know where to go. Alright guys, they told me that they weren't sure exactly how much would fit in the truck. I'm thinking it's going to be roughly 2 yards, maybe a little more. But I'm about to find out because they're going to load me up first and then we're going to go ahead and pay for everything. This is a terrible intersection, as you guys can see. Blind, and even worse. And I have to go over there. There's my dyed brown mulch that I decided to pick up. now that I'm all loaded down, time to go pay for it. So we have 1.5 yards, and we could have fit maybe 2, but that would have been pushing it. Let's get out of here. We're going to talk about this truck, how it's pulling, how it's handling, and the fact that it has no squat. Guys, if anybody out there in YouTube land and TV land knows how much a 1.5 yards of mulch weighs, please let me know, because I have no clue. But I do know that this truck is not squatted, so it is far from maxed out, and there's pretty much it feels like there's no weight to it. I mean, I'm driving here and it's almost like there's nothing in the bed of this thing, and you guys can clearly see we're loaded down. I wanted to take a quick second to show you guys how this truck's sitting. You can see that right there in the back, there is no rake. It sits pretty nice. So that's telling me this mulch is actually pretty light. I wish I could tell you guys exact, but there's no cat scales around here for me to get this weighed at. Something I really wish I could have done for this video, but if anybody out there knows how much a 1.5 yards of mulch weighs, let us know in the comments. It'd be helpful to know if we're maxing out or if we're not. But I'm going to go ahead and say that we're definitely not maxing this out, because as you can see, the leaf springs have not sagged and we still have that rake. And at the end of the day, I think it's safe to say that a 1.5 yards of mulch is about the max here. We could get a little bit more, but after that you're going to want to go ahead and start tarping, because it's going to pile up. That front left corner is really the only corner of this pickup truck bed that has any room for anything else. So I'll say it's safe to say maybe a little bit more, but if you go with a 1.5 yards, it's perfect. You could get 2 pushing it, but definitely you don't want to put some sides up, like some wooden stake sides, or tarp your load. That way you don't have any debris blowing all over the roadway, hampering any of the drivers behind you. I didn't worry about that today because we had a very short drive, and the load isn't over top the truck bed. It's nice and flush, so wasn't worried about anything falling out, spilling out into the roadway. If you guys like this video, if you got value out of it, please hit that like button for us, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this.